Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this gown. Now I will say the pattern has been drafted already. If you can check, see from the shoulder line to the upper waistline is strictly princess that which you get from my the previous videos. Now I'll concentrate on the waistline, the waist side down, because I just want to show you how to do the ruche at the waist part. Now I have trimmed everything, I've cut everything, I've separated everything step badge by badge. This is the upper side, the princess that side, that is the upper side. This one is the one, the backs, that back side that will be attached to the front side after sewing the princess. I just want to make this one a half there to have a line at the waist to give the person more fitting. So this one we are now going to slash it. It's going to be attached to the front, to the up side, not just the front, both front and back. Then we now come to this one. This one is 2 inches from beginning to the end. That is the allowance. This princess that part will be joined with this back side, that is the lower waist, joined with the basking. You can decide to do the down part different and make it a half cut. That one gives better fitting. Then we now come for the ruche side, which I have done drawn the line. And what we need to do now is to slash the line, spread it, and put the goddess under. Then you see how it will come out. This is what we get when we slash. We have slashed it, but we need to get here picked and have a dropping ruche at this side. So what we need to do now to get it and get it full is to multiply this one by how many, depending on how full you want yours to be. But mine, I want to multiply it by 3. This 13 now, just from the under waist, lower waist, to where it started is 13 inches. So that 13 inches, I multiply it by 3. I think I will get 39 or thereabout. So I need to form something like this, which is 39. At the upside here is 7 inches. So I will need to slant it to from 7 inches to 0. So that is what I'm going to use and place it on top of this. I use this one now to replace it, just to be able to get my enough space that I'm going to use to form the ruche at both sides. So I'll need to put this at the down part. Then I'm going to spread it with 2.5 inches at each point. That is what I feel. If I pick it, I want the picking to be I just want to use 2.5 to pick it. That is, maybe after picking, when I pick at the front, I pick at the back to get this side to have the ruche. So, and before I try to number it so that you not use another one to replace another. So what you are now going to cut, when you want to cut your fabric now, your crepe, you now need to remove, since you have spread it this way, getting it to this place, you now have to bring your crepe and place it on it. Then you are going to remove this. So your crepe will be cut this way. That is the one you are using at the side. You cut it this way and this way, round to the down part of the skirt. that is the one you are going to use to do the picking. You can do it, you can pick it, you can draw gather at the both sides, both front and back, and everything there will be picked into this place, and that is how you get it. I will show you when I'm done with it. This is the front. You pick at the front, and the same thing will be done at the back. What you have here is what you are going to place at the back. The only difference is you are going to put zip allowance in it. Now I have trimmed it out. I've cut it in the fabric. You can see how long it is. So I will show you when I'm done with it. Now that I have trimmed it from the fabric, all this place now will be picked into this place, just from here to this place. All this one will be picked here, and this side will be picked to the other side of it. That is the same side. So this is the way I'm going to be picking. I'm going to pick it to the front back, both the front and the back. You see, we have come back to the initial position. So this one now will be sewn to this place.